Good morning everyone. In today's video, Nord 4 after a couple of days of usage. Fingerprint sensor. Damn, it is quick. The whole thing is 120 Hz, very fast. Powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 with 5500 mAh battery, 6.7-inch screen and 8 megapixel camera. Internal memory is latest with S40. Also the benchmark score, but if those numbers doesn't mean anything to you, 1700, that's somewhere around Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is maximum setting, and with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3, this looks amazing. Nice. Really nice. Oh, they got me with a grenade. Like you can see, everything is smooth. Nicely. For the camera, I will put a link into a video, then click on it, and you will see the camera walkthrough, all kinds of features. Wide angle lens sucks, but if we switch to the 4K, we will have a beautiful quality. 4K, it's 4K, especially in 60 frames per second. Especially in 60. Front-facing camera is very wide without any video stabilization, no autofocus, 30 frames per second in full HD, and is overexposing the sky greatly. In the pictures, it's very rare to find a smartphone which will not oversaturating the colors or undersaturating the colors. This one is almost perfect. Why it's almost? Because it has a little bit that gray like filter on the pictures. Did you notice that all those pictures are a little bit grayish? Like, I don't know. It's something with the contrast. Weird, but it's look good. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below. I'll put the link in the description for you to download the original samples. Also at night and with a zoom, I'll make a zoom and another one, tons of details. And at night it will bright up image. It's basically a night vision. It's so bright, brighter than in real life. Artificial intelligence. If you hit edit and AI eraser, you have to register on the OnePlus account. I'm not going to do that. But we do have watermark, which is highly customizable. I'm not sure why would you need such customization. It's super cool then. It's better to have it than to don't have it. Let's continue. But we do have live captions. Live captions detect speech on your device and automatically generate captions. You can choose language. For now, just a couple of them, and better. See, captions are great if you want. Is this the best camera smartphone in the world? That is the question. Read instead of listen. This smartphone gonna go all the way to 4K 60 frames per second, but in a wide-angle lens. It has that switch on the side for vibrate and silent, and with the built-in speakers, if you hit settings and sound, movie, I like the smart, it's the best. Halo, but you won't be able to hear it. You can move the sound left, right, top, up, down, below, above. Open. In the end, this device reminds me HTC One from many years ago. It's cold in the hand. So if you live in a warm environment, you have a hot days, then you can cool yourself with a smartphone. How cool is that? Cool. This smartphone is for content consuming. If you're looking for content creation, then go with the huge lenses. Vivo is the best at the moment. But it is a clunker, and this device is for daily use. For daily use, you don't need such a huge cameras. You need something solid, and that is a solid smartphone. And that's what I got. And in the next video, we're going back to the ultra flagship devices. And this one will be extraordinary. Subscribe, like, and see you next video. Bye.